So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at how we can fix the issue on Samsung phone. And the issue here is basically phone calls keep getting answered automatically. Now this issue happens because on your phone there is a setting for answering calls and that's been turned to automatic, maybe by chance or accident. Now you need to turn that off. Let's look at how this can be easily done. So let's look at the fix. On your phone, tap on the phone application. So once inside the phone application, you need to head towards setting to turn the automatic answering off. Tap on the three little vertical dots so that you can head towards settings. Once the options are listed, tap on settings. Here on the settings page, scroll until you see answering and ending calls. Tap on this and you'll see that the second option refers to the thing that we were talking about, answering automatically, and you can see that it's been turned on. So simply tap on this and you will see there are several options. You can customize the time for automatic answering, but you really don't want that to happen, do you? So you want to turn it off. So you simply turn it off. Now there won't be any automatic answering of calls. Well, that's all there is to it. Maybe by chance or accident, or maybe in the latest Android update, it may have been turned to on. God knows why it's turned to on, but you need to turn it off. Now let's quickly look at the steps. So if you are suffering from this issue of automatic answering of calls, what we did was we headed towards the phone application and here we tapped on the three little vertical dots, tapped on settings so that we could reach answering and ending calls, and here the answer automatically was turned to on, which we wanted to turn it off, so we have toggled it to off. So if you do this, basically your phone won't automatically answer calls and you will have a much more relaxed and wonderful life. So guys, if you like today's tutorial and if you think this fixes your issue, kindly consider subscribing. Please do share this channel with your friends and also do let us know in the comment section how you find this tutorial. So until next time, it's me Amlan signing off.